Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived a kind little fairy named Noor Pari. She was smart, cute, and had a long braid that shimmered with magic. One cold winter night, Noor Pari noticed children in the village shivering. Some had no warm clothes, and her heart felt very sad. She decided to help them. Noor Pari appeared to two children, Amina and Hamza. She asked them to join her in a special mission. The mission was to collect warm clothes for the needy. The next morning, Amina and Hamza placed a big sign outside their house. It said, "Winter Warmth Mission. Donate warm clothes." Soon, villagers began donating sweaters, jackets, socks, and shawls. Noor Pari's gentle magic inspired everyone to give. The children took the donations to a poor family. Bibi Mariam and her 3 children had no warm clothes. Their faces lit up with happiness as they received the gifts. Soon, the whole village joined the mission. Everyone helped by giving blankets, jackets, and warm food. The village became full of kindness and joy. At the end, Noor Pari gave Amina and Hamza a small, glowing golden star. She said, "Every act of kindness is loved by Allah. Keep helping others and spreading warmth." Noor Pari's magic shone brightly as she flew back to the sky. The children felt inspired to continue helping others every winter. And from that day on, the village was a place of love, kindness, and warmth.
Look how many donations we have collected!
The village is so generous this year.
Everyone will be warm.
This should help keep someone warm.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Well, here, these jackets should keep you warm this winter.
Thank you so much, Hamza.
May you be blessed.